Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most common and challenging symptoms of menopause: hot flashes and night sweats. Menopause is a natural phase in a woman's life, typically occurring between the ages of 45 and 55. It marks the end of menstrual cycles and is diagnosed after 12 months without a menstrual period. Common symptoms include hot flashes, night sweats, mood changes, and sleep disturbances. Hot flashes and night sweats are sudden feelings of warmth, often intense, that usually occur over the face, neck, and chest. They can cause sweating and are often followed by chills. These symptoms are caused by hormonal changes that affect the body's temperature regulation. Fact number 1: cooling techniques. One important tip is to dress in layers and use breathable fabrics like cotton. For instance, keeping a portable fan or a cooling towel handy can provide quick relief. Studies have shown that dressing in layers can help manage body temperature fluctuations effectively. Fact number 2: diet and hydration. Avoid spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol, as they can trigger hot flashes. Instead, opt for cooling foods like cucumbers and melons. Drinking cold water can help lower your body temperature and prevent hot flashes. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Fact number 3: lifestyle changes. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to reduce the frequency and severity of hot flashes. Activities like yoga and swimming are particularly beneficial. A study published in the journal Menopause found that women who engaged in regular physical activity experienced fewer and less severe hot flashes. Fact number 4: relaxation techniques. Practice deep breathing exercises and meditation to reduce stress. Try a guided meditation app to help you relax before bed. Research indicates that relaxation techniques can reduce the occurrence of hot flashes by up to 50%. In conclusion, I hope you find these tips beneficial and helpful. Remember to try different strategies to find what works best for you. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for more menopause-related content. Let me know in the comments how you manage your hot flashes and night sweats. Together we can navigate this journey with confidence and comfort. Thanks for visiting Cam's Purple Corner.